Hello and welcome back to Unity Navigation Fundamentals. In this module, we'll learn how to navigate our nav meshes with the NavMesh agent. This module will teach you how to utilize Unity's NavMesh agent, how to utilize its properties such as speed and stopping distance, and how to control the NavMesh agent with code. Next, we'll create a complete player game object with a click-to-move system, waypoint patrolling, and later we'll tie in its character model and animations to the navigation. Then we'll get into some advanced agent tricks such as parabolic movement and navigation-driven physics. So here in Unity we've got a nice nav mesh baked, but we've got nothing that can move across it, so let's fix that. In the hierarchy, let's create an empty game object and Control-Shift-Drag to make it stick to a surface. And in the inspector, let's add component NavMesh agent. And we've got a lot of parameters here. The agent type is a preset that you can add more of your own to have different types for various things, like whether they can go in water or not, things like that. Then we've got the base offset, which is the distance from the floor you want comparative to the center of your object. Then we have the movement speed and the angular speed. Now the angular speed is the rotation speed, and the acceleration is acceleration, how quickly he gets to his top speed, and stopping distance will have the agent stop when he's this number close to the distance. Auto braking will have your agent slow down when he gets close to his destination. So if you want smooth movement, you should turn it off. Under obstacle avoidance, we have the radius and height of our NavMesh agent. So if he's too wide, he won't be able to find his way across. If he's too tall, he might bump his head on something. We'll just go with the default settings for now. The quality you can change depending on how many you want to have in your scene. So if you want to have 50 NavMesh agents running all around, you can change this to low quality, and then it'll perform better on your computer. So the priority is about obstacle avoidance. When many agents are running around in the scene together, an agent with a higher priority will ignore the position of an agent with a lower priority and want to push him out of the way. Under pathfinding, we have Auto Traverse Off-Mesh Link. You should turn this off if you want to use animation or some specific way to traverse off-mesh links. Otherwise, leave it on. Auto Repath means that your agent will try to find a new path to get to his destination if he should get stuck. Area Mask describes the area types the agent will consider when finding a path. When you prepare meshes for baking, you can set each mesh's area type. For example, you can mark stairs with a special area type and forbid some character types from using the stairs.